case, this is the video for Thursday, so I think that would be April 2nd, and this is the pre-test video, okay? So get ready for a pre-test. If I go too fast for anybody, just pause the video and catch up. And I want to remind you that before you send this to me, and I do want you to send it to me, I want you to grade it, because it's easier for you to grade it than it is for me to grade it. I just want to see how many you missed, and you don't have to write them, but you do need to study what you missed. Number 1, thermometer. I got out my heavy coat and gloves when I saw that the thermometer read 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Todd, stop. Number 2, temperature. Today's temperature is so cold that it might snow. Well, I hope not. I hope it doesn't snow today. Number 3, humidity. Florida has more humidity than Arizona. That is true. Livy's hair was curly, super curly the whole time she was down there because it's so humid. Number 4, evaporation. Evaporation caused the puddles to dry up after the rain. Evaporation. Number 5, forecast. We'll have to listen to the weather forecast before we make definite plans to go sailing. Forecast. Number 6, weather vane. The weather vane on the barn roof indicated that the wind was blowing from the northeast. Weather vane. Number 7, moisture. My shoes were soaked with moisture from the grass. Moisture. Number 8, tornadoes. Tornadoes are the most ferocious windstorm on earth. Tornadoes. Number 9, blizzard. After the blizzard, the farm was covered with a thick blanket of snow. Blizzard. Number 10, cyclone. In a cyclone, wind moves in a circle around a calm center. Cyclone. Number 11, typhoon. A hurricane in the Pacific or Indian Ocean is called a typhoon. Number 12, hurricane. A tropical storm becomes a hurricane when its winds reach 74 miles per hour. Number 13, atmosphere. The layers of the Earth's atmosphere protect us from the sun's harmful rays. Number 14, ice crystals. A tropical rainstorm is the only type of precipitation that does not begin as an ice crystal. Number 15, don't chew on the floor. I'm sorry, my puppy is bad. Number 15, precipitation. Water vapor in the atmosphere condenses and falls to the earth as precipitation. Precipitation. Number 16, turbulence. Because of the air's turbulence, the pilot requested that all of the passengers keep their seatbelts on. They said that on my flight too. Number 17, hazy. The flight show was canceled because of hazy skies. Number 18, deluge. The flood of Noah's time is often called the deluge. Number 19, balmy. A pleasant, balmy breeze was blowing along the beach. Balmy. Number 20, lightning. Do you know how to calculate how far away a lightning flash is? I think you're supposed to count between the time you hear the you see the lightning and you hear the thunder, and however many seconds it is how many miles away it is. I think that's what it is. Somebody should look that up and see if I got it right. Number 21, blustery. The wind was too blustery for kite flying. So back to that lightning and thunder thing, then you can tell if the storm's moving towards you or away from you. If they get, the sound and the flash get closer together, it's moving towards you. And if they get farther and farther away, then the storm's moving away from you. Number 22, tropical. Many fruits grow well in tropical climates. Tropical. Number 23, tempestuous. Jesus slept peacefully on the boat tossed about on the tempestuous Sea of Galilee. Tempestuous. Number 24, 1st and 2nd Corinthians. The books of 1st and 2nd Corinthians are letters from Paul to the church at Corinth. Corinthians. Number 25, Galatians. God tells us what the fruit of the Spirit is in Galatians chapter 5. Galatians. Number 26, drought. The 3-month drought caused many of our backyard plants to dry up. Drought. Number 27, jet stream. The pilot took advantage of the jet stream to reduce flying time. Jet stream. Number 28, arid. The plants and animals of the desert have been amazingly designed by God to conserve water so they can survive in arid regions. Number 29, barometer. By keeping track of changes in the air pressure with the barometer, you might be able to forecast the weather. Number 30, hygrometer. The hygrometer was showing almost 100% humidity on that hot, sticky day. Okay, it was 100% humidity when we moved the triplets into their dorms last fall or in August. It was amazing. It was like walking through a sponge. It was really gross. It was 98 degrees and 100% humidity. Number 31, condensation. I used to think 100% humidity was rain, but it is not. You can have 100% humidity without rain. Number 31, condensation. The windows of the warm car will fog up on a cold night because of condensation. Condensation. Number 32, Celsius scale. The Celsius scale was named after Anders Celsius, the Swedish astronomer who invented it. So that's why we capitalize Celsius, because it's a guy's name. The Fahrenheit scale was named for Gabriel Fahrenheit, who invented the mercury thermometer. So again, guy's name. Number 34, squall. The squall took us by surprise as we were getting ready to leave for the skating rink. And number 35, climatic. Grandma caught a cold while adjusting to the climatic change from Florida to Maine, which would be a big change. All right, guys, that's your pretest video. Grade it yourself. Send me a picture. Talk to you later.